in your plan?
A plan?
Yeah, for that thing.
I won't become madam now.
You won't take over. So after you don't massage, you will make the other massage. So, hey. Nothing can. Yeah. At which point in time in your life you don't say acting, you want act? Because that thing where you do there now, my sister, it be like a natural. It be like you sabi take people husband, Ivy.
No.
Come here, say it's a talent. No, it's an acting talent. It's not your talent. Okay. It's not your personal talent.
But oh, baby, don't worry, pull it off.
He said, don't worry, I don't
worry.
massage
When
you.
I touch you, oh,
you will enjoy.
You will enjoy it. The man, the mumu. Don't like. Let me scout my brother. This kind one. You see, you be pastor self. When the Bible go come, the even spirit, Holy Spirit will tell you, flee. Flee.
Resist the devil.
Flee. Resist the devil.
Baba,
resist the devil.
Flee.
And you tell yourself, man, I better not vex Holy Spirit. They can fall for this one. I go fall for this one. Anyway, make I tell you, as I ask you, when be the first time when you get into, as in, what to make you get into acting?
Decide.
What to make you decide to not acting?
You are mama?
How? Your man an artist?
No, my mama a teacher.
Yeah.
They teach for primary school for Abuja. Like primary school. But when I
like the way we see at TikTok primary school. You see, we need for primary school. Primary. Yeah, I like your style.
Maybe for better understand them.
Yes. Continue.
And when I was small, I did very shy. When I was
shy.
When I did small, I did very shy. I did even wear glasses. So I did very shy. I be those kind of pictures they say and a front of class at the day. So I don't need to get friends. So if I come house, I could begin to imitate all my teachers to my mama. Say this one, that's what they do. This one, that's what they do. She will always watch me. Then she will always tell me, say, acting go fit you, acting go fit you. So as I grow, I dey hear them, I dey hear. Because when I did small, I did more science inclined. Even for SS1, I did do chemistry, physics.
And they do very well there.
But my mom, they always tell me, say, acting go fit you, acting. So when I come enter university, next one time say, try theater. If you enter, you know like them, then you switch. Now I write jam, I enter. From year one, I just fall in love. I can't know, say, mother knows best.
Okay. Anyway, our phone number is on the Pt.3. If you call us today for talk to Sylvia Oluchy on the show, but quickly before I would begin before we take the first call.
But most times you say passion no they bring too much.
Passion no they bring too much money. How much did they pay you for your first movie?
My very first movie last 5,000 naira.
Why did they do that thing? Because your brother come here that day. Say they pay him how much? Say they not even pay him.
They never pay him the 500.
Say they promise him.
They promise him 500 naira. They never pay
him. You know, see that money.
5,000 you collect. That time the 5,000 small big.
For me, you know, that time I never ever enter university when I do that my first. So I still did quite young. So to me, that 5,000, I was a teenager. So for me, I carry and go out. So they show my mama say 1, 2. You know,
5,000.
Morning for my Saba. Good evening.
Now you enam.
Good evening, Nedu.
How you doing, my sister?
I did fine, oh.
Talk to us with the hair. You will get Sylvia inside studio. Talk to us with the hair.
I see her.
You like her, I think.
Kati, good evening.
Evening to
Money, you don't marry?
For where?
You fit thief person husband like Sylvia?
No, now.
No, if not acting, no be say na your natural.
If not acting, you go fit thief am.
I saw you, I will fit with you.
Oh.
My sister, your blood. You want thief me? My sister, how much you get?
Your money I go collect now.
Nothing. My brother and my sister, thank you. I appreciate your kind gesture. I don't want.
do the show, so money go there, where?
Money go there, Abi.
Where?
Not if I one person will get money like Sylvia.
Like Alaji.
Money, thank you very much. Good night, thank you. Now, make I ask you another question. What be the most challenging role where you don't take? Before you answer that call, from Lagos here, good evening.
Hello?
Elias.
Elias.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes?
Good evening.
Good evening. Talk to us now. How is you?
Well, fine. It's okay. Nedu.
Sir?
Oh. Good evening.
Good evening. I beg.
Third time.
Good evening.
No answer again. Third time. The fourth time, no good.
I thank my brother. This is my first time in school.
Hey! Thank you! First time caller! Hey, what's my blah, blah, blah? Whoa!
time talking with you.
Thank you, my brother. Say you call us. We appreciate
I
you.
appreciate your dramatic performances
So
in the studio.
Thank you, my brother.
Saying that this actor.
Elias, I beg you don't jump here this night.
Are there by your side?
You don't. Which one?
Well, I think today is my birthday.
Hey!
To announce it to you.
Happy birthday, my brother. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you too.
I appreciate you.
My brother, we appreciate you. One a good night, oh. God bless you. I beg if you buy suya this night, check the paper. If you be our budget, where they miss.
Keep am very well, oh.
Please, keep it. Thank you.
Suya, akra, everything. Moi.
John from Port Harcourt. John. John. Now, what's the most challenging role where you don't take Sylvia?
I'm not sure say I don't do my most challenging role yet.
You never do them yet. Now, how many movies you don't do?
I never count them before.
But you don't pass 50.
I'm not sure say.
50. Wait till you want make be pure water in the commodity industry.
It's like in Nedu.
I'm not sure say.
What's be that guy with every film? Mercy Johnson. Mercy Johnson did every film.
It be the, you know.
But the truth of the matter for Nigeria to do plenty work is good. No be like Hollywood say you do one. Here, quantity they follow for.
No, but some people they argue say if you do too and people too see you come.
Too cheap.
I'll see you finish.
Yeah.
They'll see
and then people go come tire say everything.
You understand? Take break, then
To another one. Like Genevieve.
People don't like
God
to
bless
take break
you.
because
God
if you
bless
take
you.
break, people they think say.
No, be say good evening.
Other people go for take them.
Good evening, Sir Nedu.
How is you?
I'm very fine, Nedu. How is Katim?
Yeah.
Katim, how are you?
Tell him Katim is fine.
Katim says she did fine. You busy?
Sir, how is Sylvya, Oluchy?
Sylvia, how are you?
I thank God.
Sylvia Oluchy is fine.
She thank God.
I like her. I like the way she play her movie.
Why would you like
My
it?
brother, why you not go like her? Because of
You
the
don't
rough
see her eye. You don't see her eye in the shine. Eye, you no go like
You
it.
don't cut him. Why you not go like men go like him?
Because her eye they
That
shine.
thing, you feel massage me, that thing.
No, it go massage exhibit. Nedu no be you.
Between me and Easy Beat, who you go feel massage? I know say you go choose Easy Beat now.
Exhibit
her
no get
think am.
baby.
Those who... Love it, good evening.
Good evening, Oga Nedu.
How is you, sister in the Lord?
Happy New Year.
Same to you.
I don't give you anything for this New Year.
I never give you anything for New Year.
Yes.
What thing you don't give me? Watch ya.
You not serious. At least me, I said I go give me one bag of rice.
No, but we'll not choose you to give you now. You get people where we choose.
You get people where they don't choose. It be no they our power.
Not be our power.
They do tumbo.
Then do to pass kalebe.
Tia ba bam. Ala ba la ba kai
Titi basabas.
I catch the greet, oh.
Onye?
I dey to Sylvia.
Oh.
Thank you. How you doing now?
I'm fine, oh.
Happy New Year to you.
I wish you the best.
Thank you.
Ngwana love it. Thank you. Wisdom from Port Harcourt. Wisdom, how are you?
Wisdom of Solomon.
I'm fine.
Wisdom, talk to us. Bye-bye, your TV day too loud. Now, make I ask you one question. Tell us about your newest, what's be the new thing where you work on now?
Okay, right now as they talk to you, they shoot a silver bed collaboration with Pascal Atuma called Okoro in Los Angeles. So now you they shoot now.
And not be your son them where they run from. You see,
This one na Okoro, my own na Ezoka for. Different.
Okay. And now you be the Okoro?
Yes, na me video Okoro.
No,
So now waiting with the shoot and
now you be your now you be the Okoro.
No, na your video Okoro.
Okay.
Yes, your video Okoro. Na very good movie. Alibaba did the film.
So you come
Funke
be
Akindele did the film. I did the film. I be one of the girlfriends.
Hey! It be like say to collect people husband they hungry you well.
No.
If be that man girlfriend, you be this one.
You know
say they
say
sweet you.
You know say they like to casting her in that role.
It dey sweet you.
You know say this she never talk say she been there Lekki Wives. And she did that
Yeah,
particular
Lekki
role
Wives.
where
What do you do for Lekki Wives?
Explain.
Lekki Wives,
What
I
it be?
collect my sister husband.
Hey, my brother,
She's a collector.
See this guy, I thought him.
She's a collector.
I take it.
She's a collector. Collector of special
But
items.
for season 3, I can't return her back.
After you don't use and finish. After you don't use and finish. Hi, Jesus Christ. Now, Mag, I ask you. Now, how
return am back.
as if saying a salt, come borrow salt. Use the salt, finish, call it and back. If I do, good evening.
If you see what they do for that season 2, with the sister, you could
If
just
I
shake your
hear-
look at like this.
How
Will
will-
they hear you?
will they hear you too?
Off you are Tiffy now.
He's a fine from Lagos there.
Yes, if I you dey ask us, I do make.
He's Ledu.
Eh?
He's Ledu.
My brother, I dey hear you now. I get it.
Okay. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Ledu?
Okay, fine.
You know go
Don't
here.
cut.
You, my brother, you not go make heaven.
And you know go make heaven.
I will make sure say you not make heaven.
With the
Prosper,
kids.
we go make sure say you not make heaven. You go see. Prosper, good evening. Prosper. You self not go make heaven. Thank you.
Prosperous New Year.
I don't know.
You self not. I go make sure say you not make. We go make sure say you not make heaven.
Yes.
Now make I ask you. Prosper not prosper for this one.
No, you know, I don't know. You call
But
and
wait,
then you be like,
why
go
is be
small.
saying now taking people husband you dey always do?
Now it's they give
And
me
now
now.
so, you know, now so her eye they shine inside that.
And your eye dey shine like person wey fit take person
inside,
husband.
you know, say inside her film, you go just see when the Oyibo say her eyes were dancing. Now in her eyes they do.
Make I
You
ask
go
you.
see and say yours the day excited.
Inside Nollywood, who be the person when they be say they leave you with them for fame? Say una go fit do anything.
Nobody.
Say anything fit happen.
Nobody like that. Only my darling.
Who is your darling?
I don't want to mention his name.
But you don't ever play any role with anybody, like with man.
you kiss
Where after now come play the role finish, you come begin love the person.
No.
You don't kiss for movie before.
Well.
You do and well.
how you
Show
dey-
me how you take that.
I like you.
But you sabi kiss, you kiss the kiss well.
I dey try. Me I no blow my own horn.
You sabi kiss well.
I
She
dey
they try just
You
so
dey
they-
you
you
dey
know.
lick people ear.
I never do that one.
You never lick ear
I never
before.
do that.
Try licking of ear.
Make they do try am.
Man,
They
try
will
lick
convince
your
you.
ear.
No lick.
Right, good
Say
evening.
don't lick my ear.
Right.
He said don't lick my
Sir?
ear.
Hello, Ledu.
Hello, Aduma, good evening.
Yeah, Ledu.
Ma,
How far now?
my day.
Hello, Ledu.
Hello.
I'm hearing you now.
Me too. I'm hearing you too.
Okay.
How now?
How now?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Ledu.
Hello, Ganedu.
Good evening.
Oh, good evening.
Bright, I'm calling from Ogidubega.
Right, I'm calling from Ojudubega.
Hello?
Hello?
People make him feel it's not going.
Where?
Now, if you know the act, what do you for?
Flo say, I beg her, make she come collect me safe. As you are collector.
Flo.
That would be fun.
I don't
Flo,
know.
don't
On
Twitter.
that twister.
Friday for Lagos here. Good evening. Friday.
Ledu.
Friday on a Tuesday.
How are you?
New Year, Ledu.
Same to you.
The way they call your name.
I just didn't give me the name.
Friday.
Friday.
I can hear you, Ledu.
You want to make Sylvia stiff you too?
That's Sylvia. In fact, now woman snatcher. They can't get the talent well.
She says
why
snatchist.
You yourself, you too much. You too much.
Thank you. I'm a lover. I don't dey collect person
She's not a
husband.
fighter. She's a lover.
I dey find people like you.
When I can snatch you, Abby.
May you come massage me.
You yellow. You yellow like Majid.
I you know well, like you.
Like Majid.
You know well, you know past that guy said.
Ah.
I swear.
You yellow like her cloth, Abby.
I swear, you know past that.
Anyway, thank you very much. Brother, now been on you
As you
be.
yellow, so your back they pay. As you see Sylvia like this, your back on the pay.
Arinze good. Why be saying na men they call? Now wow.
Na Sylvia.
Arinze.
Hello.
You say for me Sylvia tiff you.
I can hear you one day.
You said one make Sylvia borrow you.
No. How much you follow me go house?
Make she go massage you.
I been around.
How you do?
I do.
How today?
I must do those deal. I hope she not be Karachi Kasha.
No, she not be Karashika. Don't worry, she go fit follow you.
At all, oh.
You never watch any of her film?
I don't see one clip. I get one clip I see now. Which is the rob that guy.
So you dey go find the film now, I think.
Eh?
So you dey go find the film now, I think.
I want to download them now. Sir.
Beam Mrs. Elliot. That be the film. Beam Mrs. Elliot.
Yes,
Look for her.
You ask me what she says she the kiss. What's me the name?
The one where they kiss.
Lekki Wives.
Lekki Wives.
Lekki Wives.
Season
Lekki
3.
Wives.
Season 3. Go buy am.
Season 2 and 3.
Season 2 and 3.
Yeah.
No problem. I'm going to
That
one
thing
by
starts
now.
from
Go and buy am now. She kiss die. She kiss fire.
Then you go and find Finding Love and Alan Poser.
Alan Poser. You go see am there too.
Now I finish my MB.
Bye.
Ask you for end. We say go and buy the DVD.
Anyway, wrapping up. For those who say want follow you, for those who want follow you on top of your social media, so that they will keep up with you, know what you they do, know the next move where they come out and everything. What's your Instagram handle, your Facebook, and your Twitter?
They follow you now.
All of them now at Sylvia Oluchy. Sylvia Oluchy na SYLVYAOLUCHY. Just jam them together at Sylvia Oluchy.
Sylvia
As you
Oluchy.
see 'em.
Two English
No.
Two female
Two
names.
female name.
Yes.
Wow.
Like Angelina Jolie.
At least Rita get Dominic.
You
But
don't marry.
know,
I never marry.
You get boyfriend.
Yes, I get.
you like, I mean,
You
like
like
you.
her, you like you.
I love and die.
Yeah.
How
love
long
you.
will I take follow now? Say?
You love me well now.
You need to go up on there. For this show, please go and stay with Izzy.
No, Nedu.
No, just go.
Tomorrow.
Just
You
go.
must-
Stand
Or
up.
next
Stand up.
tomorrow.
Stand up. Stand up.
Nedu.
Stand up.
I know when my boyfriend finds
No,
you.
your boyfriend-
No. Tomorrow or next tomorrow, your
Come on,
boyfriend
carry
will come on this show.
No.
Come on, carry her.
Tomorrow or next tomorrow.
You dey fear?
Carry her go away.
My brother, you dey fear?
My boyfriend goes see you.
So that hard way to shake.
Anyway, that will toilet all up now. We call us on top of
Stay
the show.
tuned. We go. Your boyfriend must come show.
And then to Sylvia
Yes.
Oluchy, in fact, one of the best actresses what I don't see so far. She did snatch her husband for film.
She's a collector.
She's a collector. She can
Collector of
kiss. She
special
can kiss
items.
fire. Yeah, all the kiss.
Yes.
Anyway, double toilet. Don't know what follow her. Follow her on top Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Follow me, Katim and Izibit also on top Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Ngwano till tomorrow.
All
Una
and
go
all.
make her try see whether she go kiss me or lick her ear. Until tomorrow, good night. Well, kiss me.
Good night.
I should go kiss you.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.